So, my brother's getting out something which I've never seen before. Something called Campfire in a Can. I can see you're going to connect it to the propane, or what is it? It's propane?
Yeah.
Yeah. In Switzerland, it's often butane. I don't know why.
You got big cans like that in butane?
Yeah. I think so. That's funny. I never saw something like that. It's kind of cute, actually. But
No.
just to keep, it's just for keeping the warmth on the. Huh. I never saw that.
It's a campfire.
Yeah, I can kind of like notice, but I've just never seen anything like it. Always learn new things over here. By the way, over in the far off, we see his camper. Well, it's not an RV because it's behind his Jeep.
Oh, travel trailer.
Travel trailer?
Yeah, that's what they call them.
Okay, near his barn over there, which for the moment does not have any animals right now. Okay, so this thing won't explode on me, will it?
No.
You gotta light it up, I suppose.
Well, I'm not gonna light it up right now. It's for later on in the evening.
It's for later on in the evening. Oh, okay. So what do we have over here? So that rack of lamb is certainly coming along when the bones start burning.
Yep.
Yep. And the lobster looks definitely not bad. Yeah. So these are ready. And here's the lobster. I can tell you it smells very good. Okay. All for now.
It's zero clearance. I could put it straight on the patio floor, even if it's in wood.
So actually here we're having a fake campfire, so to call it. Well, it's not a fake, because there's a real fire, but it looks like wood, but it isn't. It's made propane. Like my brother was saying, in some campgrounds, they don't let you have your own wood, right?
Yeah, you gotta buy local wood. Well, it's a rule. It's like a state rule.
That's not bad. It's very warm, actually. It really has the feeling. I guess the fact is, what is that in the middle? I mean, is it metal or what is it though?
Like the logs? It's
Yeah.
ceramic.
It's a ceramic thing?
It's honestly like if you had a gas fireplace in your house and you have like fake ceramic logs in it.
Okay, I see what you mean, yeah. That's pretty good. Okay. So enjoying that evening. Bye-bye.